asphalt turns red. I sometimes hope I crash when it hurts the most. She is sick of being afraid. It's the constant fear of something or someone else. A slurring patters on the roof of the car, like the beat of a drum or a ticking clock. A slurring patters on the roof of the car, like the beat of a drum or a ticking clock. She left the pan on the stove, kept the flame low, door wide open, creaking